Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own Swiss roll cakes. So let's bake! Here is what you'll need to make the cake. You will need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 5 egg whites, a pinch of cream of tartar, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget to make sure that there are no egg yolks on the whites. If it does, it won't whip up properly. In a large bowl, whisk together the oil, yolks, lemon juice, vanilla, and water. Move it aside. Then, in another bowl, sift or mix the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a bowl of a stand mixer, beat the egg whites and the cream of tartar to a soft peak stage. If we're separating the egg whites, we're whipping up into a delicious meringue. Since the egg whites have tons of bubbles in it, it will expand and make the cake puffy. This is the soft peak stage. Now you slowly add in the rest of the sugar. If you combine the sugar with the egg whites, it'll puff the peaks very nicely. And here are the egg whites at a stiff peak. Mix in the dry ingredients in the large bowl with the wet ingredients. Fold the egg whites into the batter, then spread onto prepared half-sheet baking pan and let it bake for about 20 minutes or until the center just springs back. This is what the batter looks like after it was baked. Cut all around the edges of the cake. Flip the cake out of the pan and peel off the parchment paper. Spread the whipped cream on top of almost the entire cake. Leave it like about 1 inch empty. Roll up the cake. And last but not least, you can decorate it with your favorite dessert toppings. I hope that you enjoyed this video and this recipe. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel, and I wish you luck on baking your favorite recipes.